Alright, so today I'm going to make a little bit more modification to my mini office space. If you've seen my previous videos, I'm doing some work in the living room to open it up, but make it a little more efficient. Now, one of the problems I found is I have my laptop sitting on a tray in front of me, but when I move it up, it makes it hard to get to the printer, which I don't use a lot. So what I decided is I'm going to rearrange this a little bit. I found two shelving boards that I'm going to use on top because the printer is a little bit wider than this and moves around. So stay tuned. What I'm going to do is, instead of just sitting this on here so it doesn't move around, I don't accidentally lean on this, I'm going to pre-drill a couple little holes here and here for this. Use a couple finish nails so you won't even see it. And then the printer will set up here and I'll have space to put a couple things on the side. Alright, so here's the finish setup, and now I have the option that if I'm not going to use the printer a lot, you've seen one of my previous videos. I have this on top of the laptop so the cats aren't walking all over the keys and opening up windows. When I'm not using it, I can actually set it right up here. It's not taking up a lot of space, and if I am going to be using now this printer, it's going to be a lot closer to me. I won't have to reach for it. This is more convenient, and I can just put this off to the side where it's not seen. And I think this is going to work out pretty good. This eliminates the reaching problem I had. So I hope you liked the video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching Mark in Maine. Don't forget, at the end, I will have a link to my brother's site, Shane's Main Shop. And after that, I will try to post a couple links to other videos I have done in the past.